I'll never wait. I look on my life, I look on my dreams, I won't hesitate. Since I was 13, I always believed, cause I never wait.
What's good, y'all? Rascal here, and welcome to another Motovlog. As y'all see from the mirrors, we got our suit on, baby. This is it, yeah. This is our first time riding it, trying to break it in. It's really stiff right now. I can't really tell if it fits me or not. It's my first ever time riding with the suit. It feels good. I think it fits. It feels a little tight, but I heard that's what it's supposed to be like. This shoulder, I might have to adjust a little bit because it does have like a pressure point somewhere. But this other one is fine, so I don't think the suit is too small. I think it just has to be broken in some more. But with this suit, it makes me realize I really need tank grips because it's so slidey. Ayo! Woo! It's supposed to rain all next week tomorrow, so I decided to go out today, get as much footage as I can, and break my suit in as much as I can before the big rain week. Rain, go away, come again another day, know what I mean? I don't know if it's because the suit's perforated, but I feel a lot more agile with this suit on. I don't know what it is. Even though it's super stiff, I just feel like I can maneuver and move around much more easily on the bike. It's so weird. And the fact that it's perforated makes it feel real nice through my body. Woo! I will say that I think the sleeves are a little too long on the suit and the leg length. Everything else fits fine. Waist, chest, thighs, whatever. It all fits fine. It's just the arm length and the leg length that I feel like are a little too long. But I was doing some research and you can get it tailored. So I'm thinking about tailoring it and getting it shortened. But first I want to break it in, you know what I mean? Just to make sure. This is my first suit, so I'm not really too familiar with how these work. One thing I didn't realize when I got this suit was that the red was going to be a fluorescent red, and it didn't match with the helmet that I got at all, the AGV one. So I'm gonna have to return that helmet, probably get either all white helmet or an all black helmet. I'm still not sure, but something that'll go good with this suit, because everything is fluorescent red now. I even got the gloves in fluorescent red. I set my old ones back and told them I wanted these ones instead, and Redzilla was super cool about it, and so they hooked it up. Another thing, wow, voice crack. Another thing is that these gloves fit perfectly without the suit on, but with it on they feel a little too big because I think the sleeves push it away. So that's another reason why I do want to get the sleeves like shortened, and why I feel like the sleeves are too long. 100 cities, signed 1,000 titties, I'm talking millions of pitties. Woo! It is starting to get hot on these slower roads. Might just get my back on the highway. I feel like the last time I said it, especially since it was during like an outro, it didn't really seem genuine or crazy. But guys, it's insane. We hit 10K on TikTok. That's awesome. That's just super dope. Like, god damn, how do we hit that many people on one social media platform? How did that many people find me good enough to watch? Like, what? Oh, look, animals! Hello, cows! Moo! Cows are friends too. Delicious friends. I feel like I should just go get Colombian food and then head back. Alright guys, we gotta hurry. I got 50% on this battery and I got 15 minutes to get there. They told me they'll be ready in 15 and it takes about 15 minutes to get there. I'm a little behind because I decided to take some pictures for Instagram, but that's whatever. Alright, let's get going. Oh, there's the cop. You know what? Let me turn around. I got a question for him. I want to know if I can keep my mirrors or not. Alright, let me ask this cop the question about my mirrors. He's still there. Oh. Hey. I had a question. So I was trying to find somewhere online about my mirrors. I wanted to remove them, but I'm assuming that's not allowed. Just that. Am I allowed to have them on the handlebars? Because online it didn't say anything about handlebars, so I want to know if it's.
Honestly, I don't know if it matters where they're located. I don't even think you have to have two. I think you can just have one, but I don't know. I don't think it's specific on where it has to be.
Okay.
As long as you have some kind of mirror, I think is all that matters.
Alright, awesome. Because, yeah, I didn't want to take them off unless I knew.
Where are you going to put them on your handlebars?
Probably on the edge right here.
I've never seen that before.
No, yeah, I saw some online, so it should be fine. Alright, officer, thank you.
Yes, sir.
You too. Oh, what a cool ass cop. What a cool cop. What a cool cop. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh man, please tell me yes, I'm still recording. Oh, that cop is so cool. Oh my god. Well, at least now I know. And I have video proof. An officer told me it doesn't matter where it goes as long as they're on my bike. So I should be fine. I should be fine. Handlebar mirrors, here I come. Man, I might be watching one too many killer cam videos if I'm gonna be doing this type of stuff. Bikes look so much cooler without mirrors. They just look faster. These look like, I don't know, like Mickey Mouse ears or something, poking out like an alien or something. Look into your corner, look into your corner. What was that? Wow, I look badass. I'll see y'all after we get out. Alright guys, we have secured the bag. It is now time to head home and eat. Man, I haven't had Colombian food in forever. Oh wow, I'm actually a lot closer than I thought I was to home. I know exactly where I am. Actually the last place I filmed the outro, and it's gonna be the same as this one. Guys, if y'all enjoy, make sure y'all leave a like and a sub and comment down below. That's awesome. I love interacting. I know I say with you guys every time, but I love interacting with you guys. It's super cool to me. It's amazing. And I love interacting with y'all on other places too, like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. So make sure y'all go check me out over there. Everything's down below. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'll see y'all later.
Y'all thinking I'ma fall off? I'm Thomas the Itch. 2 seconds, you get your rocks off.